For starting a video, I have more than 2000 plus anytime basic to advanced AI voice agent file. You have to just select which file you wanted and select it, and you can download, copy paste in anytime. In this method, I will tell you the two methods to build an anytime AI voice agent. First one is YouTube and second one is on AI agent you wanted to build. So you have to write prompt and you can build a whole AI in this voice agent. First of all, we have to log into anytime. Select and create a new workflow. You can see the more than 2000 plus workflows there. You have to just copy paste and the whole instruction was there. You can see in a simple language. You can just have to refer, just copy and paste, and you can build with own stuff. I will open another file. You can see more than 3 files was there, or in this 2000 plus more AI voice agent was there. In GPT, connect your free API key and you can let's start and build it and use it. Whole file link in the description. You can download and you can use it. So how to build a YouTube video in a free way? Lots of people were building a voice agent with YouTube voice agent or all the stuff's AI agents. So I will tell you how to build in a free way. So you can see he showed the code has to pay. So I will tell you the free method to build this agent. First you have to take the screenshot of the whole code. Then you have to open the cloud. You can see the cloud was open and paste the screenshot, and you have to copy the link of URL of the video and go to the YouTube transcript. YouTube transcript means you can tell whole thing of the video. So you have to copy paste YouTube transcript URL, just verify. You can see the whole video of transcript was there. You have to copy and paste in the cloud. You can see the whole YouTube transcript was there. So you can see the whole code, and it in JSON format was generated by the cloud. What I done, first I put the screenshot. Second, you can see I screenshot, and this is the whole transcript. And third one was the prompt was generated with GPT. I will give in the description of the whole prompt what I did and how I get the code. But it create a error, so I tell build a copy and paste format. You can see I would take a screenshot of what the error happened, see, and I tell the error happening was what the stuff I put the prompt, and he built me a proper format. Just you have to copy and paste in the editor. So first you can see the whole agent was JSON format was done. I copy on notepad. We have to paste on the notepad and we have to save. So go to N10 and select the file and paste it. You can see the whole AI agent was built. So it created error. If error happening, you have to put the screenshot and paste. Same like this code was made in the YouTube. You have to add the LinkedIn API key and the whole agent was able to run. See, you have free trial was over. If the free trial was over, you have to just download and log into another Gmail account, and you can use, because anytime provide the 15-day free method. Now second method, we have own AI agent. How to build? Just tell ChatGPT what AI agent you wanted and explain clearly. So I was building a AI lead generation agent, CRM bot. First I tell the whole description about a AI lead generation system and telling to make a prompt to cloud. I also put in the description what I built it, so you can refer. After this generation, the code in the cloud format was generated. You can see just have to copy and paste. Here. So I copied and go log into N10 based on the note. So first is it's giving the instruction of the whole code, explaining the JSON format, how the code is work. Then I tell to make the copy and paste format in the one file. So I build it. I have to just copy, go to notepad, paste, save as. So you can see the whole AI agent was done. We nothing do another stuff. The whole thing was done by ChatGPT and cloud. You have to add our API key and you can see the build. If any error also happen, you have to just put the screenshot. You have to take the error screenshot and put on the cloud and tell to there is error happening, please regenerate. So cloud can also able to generate. If any error happen, you have to just put the screenshot in the cloud and cloud will able to generate. You can see I taking a screenshot, go to cloud and tell the what error happening. You can see the workflow was successfully was showing, so you can see the whole AI agent was done. So more than 2000 plus AI agent file was also there in the description. You have to just download